Hi, I am Britton Reader. I am 13 years old. I am in seventh grade. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Believer used to be like one of my favorite childhood songs. I used to like listen to it all the time. Now like electronic music more, but I still really like this song, so I remixed. It was pretty cool. This also helped me a lot while I was making my album. Um,
Hmm.
it took and it's an album with 8 songs that took me like 13 weeks because I had to set up the songs, make the songs, buy the songs, mix the songs, and even create the cover art and all that stuff. So
So
it took
cool.
a really long time, but it was definitely worth it when I can like just play my song like on a professional music sharing site thing. It's just
That's
so cool.
that's
Like
awesome. And we have
seriously.
we have the link here in the chat. If you kind of scroll up, okay. So awesome. We're gonna go ahead and start. Here you go.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me up, believer, believer. You made me up, believer, believer. Send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the ground, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, never did, never did, flowing inhibited, limited till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
Give it up for Britton. Good job, my man. Great work, my friend.